Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with FIDO2 security keys on GitHub. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to github.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture located in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Security. Look for the two-factor authentication section and click on Enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompt. Once enabled, return to the security section. Now, locate the SSH and GPG keys option in the left sidebar and click on it. Click on the New GPG key button. If you already have a FIDO2 security key, insert it into your USB port. On your computer, open your browser and access the GitHub site again. Navigate back to the security settings where you initially enabled two-factor authentication. Now, find the Manage Security Keys option and click on it. Click on Add Security Key. You may need to give your security key a name for identification purposes. Press the button on your security key when prompted by the screen. Follow any additional prompts that may appear to complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, your FIDO2 security key will be registered with your GitHub account. You can now use this security key for two-factor authentication on future logins. To test your new authentication method, log out of GitHub. Attempt to log back in using your credentials. When prompted for two-factor authentication, insert your FIDO2 security key and press the button on it. Verify that you can successfully log in. Your GitHub account is now secured with FIDO2 authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.